Today, I'm going to show you a brand new Google AI agent that I built, which can essentially create avatar images like you can see right here. And essentially what we've got over here is the next part of the workflow. So this is for generating videos, right? So for example, here, this video was generated using the same process. And it's really simple and easy to do. So let me show you how this works step by step. So essentially here, if you want to create a video like this, what you can do is you can take the image that you want to create a video about and run this workflow, right? And what this is going to do is if we click on execute workflow here, it's another trigger. So we just upload the brand asset and the campaign brief of whatever we want to show. So let's say, for example, we have an alien, right? So we're going to upload that alien. And then inside here, we're going to say, okay, alien talking about his life on a spaceship. We're going to hit submit like so. You can change the mood as well if you want to. And what this is going to do is, again, it's going to upload the file to Google Drive. Then it's going to use our brand strategy agent to come up with some ideas and a creative director as well to help with that script and the generation of it, right? Now, once that's done, we're then going to have a production specialist who actually comes up with the script and everything else, which I'll show you in a second. And then this is going to send it over to FAO. Now, FAO, if you've never been on there before, basically is a website where you can generate videos automatically using the APIs, right? So you have all these different APIs directly inside the Explore section. Once that's done, it's then going to wait. So you can see that's now generated like so. And if we go to download brand video, and this is the alien that we've generated here, right? So let's play this.
Another day, another orbit. You know, Earthlings and their selfies, quite the odd ritual, don't you think? Still, there's a certain charm to their quirks.
Right? How crazy is that?
Another day, another orbit. You know, Earthlings and their selfies, quite the odd ritual, don't you think? Still, there's a certain charm to their quirks.
So that alien was generated from this workflow